Hello cake lovers, welcome back to Cake Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shazadi. Today's video is all about glamorous sparkle and shine. With a fabulous gallery of edible glitter cake designs, let's take a look at the most dazzling cake that will light up any celebration. The first one is full glitter cake tire. First up, full fully glittered cake tire. These cakes are completely coated in edible glitter, making them the centerpiece of any event. From gold to rose, silver to rainbow, you can match the sparkle of your theme. Perfect for wedding, milestone birthdays, or any brand launch events. The next is glitter drip and borders. Next, let's talk about glitter drips and borders. About edible glitter of your chocolate or candy melt for shiny, flowing drips, or apply glittery around the base of the cake to give it a glowing frame. This subtle touch instantly adds elegance and glam. The next is glitter cake topper. Don't forget the cake topper, from glitter coated names to sparkly stars and crowns. Topper complete the look. You can make these from fondant, cardstock, or ac- acrylic. Dust it with edible glitter to that wow effect. Pair with minimal cake design to make them your topper shine even brighter. The next is glitter with buttercream texture. Buttercream lovers, this one's for you. Apply edible glitter to pipe rosity, swirls, or wave texture for fairy tale finish. Soft pink, lavender, or blue works especially well with summer. Great for princess themes and baby showers. The next is glitter and geode combo. Want something unique and eye-catching? Combine edible glitter with geode designs. Use rock candy or sugar crystal inside cake cutouts. Then sprinkle edible glitter for the glowing crystal effect. This works wonderfully for modern weddings and art theme parties. The next is glitter accent on cupcakes and mini cakes. Don't forget the minis. Cupcakes and mini cakes look adorable with glittery accent. This things shimmering sparkles, glitter toppers, or even metallic cupcake linears. Use them as party favors or gift. They are always a hit. The next is here are some few quick tips for using edible glitters safely. Always use FAD proof edible glitter. Never use craft glitter. Always apply to slightly stick surface for best hold. Store it in a cool, dry place to prevent clumping. Which glitter cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas. Share for more magical ideas. Thank you for watching. Hope so you enjoy this video and watch next video also, or to know about more cake details or cake ideas. Take a screenshot of it if any cake idea hit you most. And see you in the next video. Till that, take care of yourself and share your love with others by baking a beautiful cake from choosing from this video, so you can make a perfect bake a cake. Thank you so much.